A group of Atlanta doctors are teaming up to make a difference in the lives of children a world away. Here to tell us about their plans to build a pediatric hospital in Ethiopia are doctors Ebba and Lynette Wilson-Phillips. Doctors, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for stopping by and sharing your story with us. It's an exciting one. A couple of years ago, Dr. Ebba, you helped to found the Gemini Healthcare Group with the idea of giving back to your native country of Ethiopia. Tell me about how that whole idea came together.
That's correct. About 2.5 years ago, a group of pediatricians thought about ways how we can help children with diverse backgrounds, how we can help them achieve good health care. And one of the things that we decided to do this is to organize so we can send medical missions to Africa, specifically sub-Saharan African countries, including Ethiopia, with the goal being maybe we can provide clinical services where it's needed. We can also help train the local doctors, as also when there's needed medical help where critical care are needed for the kids, where services are not being provided, we can bring them to the United States for critical services that are not available there.
Yeah, as of right now, there is no children's hospital in all of Ethiopia.
Correct. For a country of about 80 million people, and half of them are children under 15. So for 40 million children, there's no freestanding pediatric hospital. And these 40 million children are being served by almost 100 pediatricians. Wow. And when you compare to the United States, in Atlanta alone, there's over 250 pediatricians serving the Metro Atlanta area.
Wow, so there was obviously a great need. And Dr. Wilson-Phillips, you are one of Dr. Ebba's friends from residency, a colleague, and you're very connected into the Ethiopian community. Tell me about how you got involved.
Well, I became involved because Dr. Ebba invited me to be a part of the Gemini Healthcare Group, and because I have a practice by the name of Decatur Pediatric Group that is located in Clarkston, Georgia, and that particular location has developed a very close-knit relationship with the Ethiopian and Somalian community to the point that our practice is about 20% of that population.
And those communities are growing here in Atlanta.
Yes, very much so.
Very much so. Atlanta, as you know, is a very immigrant community with a lot of immigrants from different parts of the country, from the world.
So tell me, what does it take to realize this dream of creating the hospital in Ethiopia? Where do things stand right now? Well,
as you know, we are in a country with a lot of resources in terms of skilled manpower, doctors, physicians, and a lot of resources. So we have a group of volunteers who are trying to go and provide the services. Right now, we've purchased the land to build pediatric hospitals. We have the architectural design donated by an Atlanta firm, and we're ready to build. And one of the other things that we're planning to do is, until this hospital is built, we're going to do pediatric mobile services to provide outreach and screening and reach out those individuals who may not have the transport to go to the big cities to provide the services, to get the services.
Okay, for those of our viewers who are watching and they want to know how they can get involved or contribute, how can they?
Well, they can look at our website at www.ghcg.org or geminihealthcare.org, and they can support us in terms of prayer, provide their services by volunteering, as well as monetary and financial supports. And one of the things, if I may mention, we are having our first annual fundraiser in Atlanta this coming Saturday, October 4th, at the Sheraton Atlanta Hotel. And if you can, come and join us. And if you're not able to do that, there's so many different things that you can do help us. 5 cents, $10, $1, that goes a long way. All counts.
Yeah, well, best of luck with the project, and thank you for stopping by and sharing with us. It's a very worthwhile cause. Gemini Healthcare's first fundraiser is a major step in the efforts to bring medical care to these children. It's coming up this Saturday night, and you can find out more by visiting our website at myfoxatlanta.com.